Fuel injectors spray fuel into your engine's combustion chamber. Over time, the buildup of impurities in gas can cause irregularities in your fuel injector's flow rate or spray pattern. If ignored, the buildup can lead to clogged fuel injectors, which can cause your engine to misfire or idle irregularly. Our factory-trained service technicians know exactly how to give your vehicle's fuel injectors a professional clean. Clean fuel injectors will improve your vehicle's performance, increase your gas mileage, reduce air pollution, prolong your engine's life, and increase your car's dependability. Trust us to keep you moving. Schedule an appointment today.